Gonna go over the fence. The birds can make a nest out of that. The fog, yeah. Look at that. Clouds are cool looking. They're low. "2A practice?" Rick, I don't know if I know what you mean. Fulton fan, yeah, I remember. Thanks for stopping by. Oh no. Uh-oh, here comes some shenanigans. Who's chasing who? Yeah, they are playing. Oh, okay. I got you. Target practice. Yeah, not tonight, not so far. That's what ended our stream last night. Oh yeah, we've got some good brushes. We've got the Furminator. That's the best one. I'll try to give Raven a grooming tomorrow. Raven's shedding way worse than Moose. But I posted a video maybe a week ago of me brushing Raven, and I filled up that cardboard Chewy box over there. Man, I filled that thing about half full with her fluffy fur. I got a box full. Hey, no growling. No, they haven't, not in the box. That's why a lot of times I toss it over the edge so the birds can grab it and make a nest. We've got out here we've got bird houses. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's one. There's another one up there. Those are bluebird houses. Yeah, rake your carpet. I love that's hilarious. Yeah, the fur's never ending with these two. Here comes Moose. Don't jump on me. All right, good boy.